I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Bowdabra to create this awesome little picnic table centerpiece. So let's get started. So this is my favorite new hack, is to take pool noodles and cut them up and use them instead of floral foam. So what I'm going to do is put this tool noodle just in here, and I'm going to take some rocks because this is for outside at a picnic table. So we want to have a little weight to make sure that this won't get blown away. Then I'm going to take my other piece of pool noodle and just put that across the top. Then I'm going to grab my Bowdabra and my scissors. Everything's all spread out on me. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and cut a piece. And I folded it in half here. So we're going to just, make sure I have that actually in half. We're going to lay that down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just tucking it underneath to keep it out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is, you know how these flowers, you always lose leaves off of your florals, or I do anyway. So I'm just going to put these in here, and then I'm going to take this flower here, actually let's put that in there, and take this flower and lay that in here, and then put another flower in this way, and put this one here, and we're going to just lay these in here. And this is just so super simple. So I'm just laying everything into my Bowdabra and put that in. Then what I'm going to do is take my lights, and I'm just going to lay those across like this. So it's really cool because they light up, so they'll be really pretty at night. Then we're going to lay in our flowers, a few more flowers here, another one, and another one there. And then I'm going to take this green flower, and that's going to help cover up some of the ends that I don't want to see. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, and we're going to just lay that down. I've already dovetailed the ends. We're just going to lay that down as our tail. And then I'm going to just create a bow by folding back and forth. And that's all we're doing here, is just fold and twist. So we'll just fold and twist. So it's super simple. Now for those of you who haven't seen our videos before, please comment, say hello below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And also, please make sure that you watch our lives that we have on Facebook and YouTube on Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 Central, 5 Mountain, and 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 o'clock Pacific. I should know that since we're in Pacific time zone. So I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back. So I just want to bring everything through. And let me bring that around. And I'm going to, so what you can see what I'm doing, I'm just moving the flowers around. So I'm just going to tie a knot, and I will double knot it. And then I'm just going to clip my ends here of my wire. And now I'm going to take my little pot, and we're going to just shape out our bow. And I'm going to just keep shaping my bow here. You can see what I'm doing. And then what I'll do is take the stems, and we're just going to put the stems down through our pool noodle. And now I've got that all pushed in here. And now I'm just going to shape this. And we have our bow in the front, and I kind of smashed it a little bit. So let's finish shaping. And I'll turn on my lights. There's my little thing. So now the lights are all lit, and I'm just going to stick this in the back here so you don't see it. So after we finish fluffing everything out, you have this adorable little picnic centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.